Hi crochet lovers, and welcome back to Miguelscrochet. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the cute little like butt crack, especially if you guys have seen it on my chunky Wiwis, or if you guys have seen other people do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it, especially with my pattern, which is the Wiwi, as you guys know. So that is the plan for today's video. So let's get started. Alright guys, what you need to be able to do like the cute little butt crack is, of course, you will need a needle and grab the yarn that you use to make your Wiwi. So I'm gonna just cut like a little strand. Just do it a bit extra long, just so you have enough room to work with. Alright you guys, I'm gonna use I think I will use the metal needle for this video. So I'm gonna insert the yarn. There we go, you guys. And so what you will have to do is, you guys, as you guys can see, this is the bottom part of the Wiwi. So the first thing you will do is kind of go like in the middle, like it doesn't matter, just try to go in the middle. There we go. And you guys, the goal is to poke the needle, I will say maybe like here. It depends how big you want your cheeks to be. So I will say maybe, let's do it right here. I think right here is more than enough. It really depends. You can go like this low or more in the middle. I'll go like kind of the middle. There we go, guys. Trying to poke the needle. And I will leave like a little strand so I can do a knot later. And yeah, you guys, in this part we will go in the same spot, so kind of the middle. And I'm gonna poke the needle again. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. And now you guys, you will start to pull it really tight so it can kind of create the cheeks. So let me show, wait. Alright guys, just look how it will form the cheek. Pull it really tight. I will start pulling the strand and push it, push it, push it. As you guys can see, the cheeks are forming. Push it really hard. It is kind of forming, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go one more round again, and you guys, I will try to pull the yarn again. I can pull the one below as well. Just pull it really tight. Wait, there is a loop here. Oh, this is from where I started. Alright you guys, keep pulling the strand really tight. Keep pulling. You can even do one more round. I will do one more round just so it can really form the cheeks. Alright you guys, I will go one more time in the same spot, and I will pull the yarn really tight again one more time. You guys can see. Wait, let me move this one. Alright, it's in the middle. Now I'm gonna pull it really hard. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. There you go. As you guys can see, I managed to create like some little cheeks. I think if you go like more like here, the cheeks will be bigger, but I personally like this size for the cheeks. It looks like super cute and it's funny. And you guys, look how it looks when it sits. This is like so freaking funny. But yeah guys, I think if you go like a little higher, the cheeks will be bigger. So it's totally up to you, and it is fun. I mean, the cheeks doesn't need to be perfect, but as long as they are cute, that's what matters, right? But yeah guys, I'm just gonna do like a little knot here to secure it, and then I will sew and hide the end tails. So let me do that. Okay, I'm trying to pull this. Alright you guys, I will do like just a little knot here. There we go. I'll do a second knot. And you guys, what I like to do next is I just hide the tail. So I'm gonna poke it back and maybe pull the strand maybe here. I hope you guys can see. And that's it. Just cut it and hide the tails. No one will know, and nobody needs to know, right? I'll do for the next one really quick. Alright, I'll go and try to hide this tail as well. Maybe I'll poke it right here. There we go. Alright, got that part, hide it as well by just poking it. And there you go guys, that's basically how you achieve like the cute little cheeks for the Wiwi. Look how, I mean, if you push it really more hard, you can get even a bigger cheek, but it's totally up to you. Again, maybe try to go higher if you guys want the bigger cheek and push it a little bit more. But yeah guys, that's basically how you achieve the butt crack with my pattern, which is the Wiwi. At the moment, I have currently, you guys, the festive Wiwi collection. It will be available for purchase tomorrow on my Etsy shop, so you guys can check it out. But yeah guys, you can do this as well with a giant chunky Wiwi, which is made with a blanket yarn, to achieve the butt cheeks. But yeah guys, so with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to everyone who decided to purchase my patterns. I really appreciate each one of you. And guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye.